It's hard out here for a pimp. Right? What's up, guys? What's up? I had some technical difficulties. Ain't never give me problems, but why not? Why not when I'm doing something new? You know, keeps me on my toes. Welcome to Dub Daily. Sorry I wasn't on the original link, but that's how it goes, man. Purpose of this, do some more frequent content, but stay on top of the crypto markets. We all got to anyway, right? Might as well do it together. 3 people on the chat. What's up? Sorry for the being late, but it happens, you know. I was trying to double stream. I'm not at that level yet, man. Damn. Time accurate? Trying, man. Shades, what's up? Yo. What's with the dump? What's with the dump? Damn, duh, what's up? Hey guys doing? I'm gonna give some people some time to filter up in here. I'm guessing this would probably be like an hour show. We're talk, read some news and shit. I got some cool articles for y'all. Blah 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 blah. Whatever. You know. Hold up 1 second. Yeah, I think that double stream shit messed me up. I gotta do more homework. Not for today. Yo, Pack, what's good? What's good? 3 people, that's good enough, man. That's good enough. Okay, we're gonna jump into it. Let me share my shiz. I don't want to show that. Yeah. That's nice. All right, 4 people. That's what I'm talking about. Did you see all the World Economic Forum videos today? No, I didn't. We could check it out though. But I got like over 10 articles we're going to talk about. I don't know how much it would take to fill up an hour, so we gonna see. What's up with the title of this thing? Is my shit? Hold up. Oh yeah. Okay, cool. Hold on. Let me close some stuff out. We're good. 5 people now. Hey. Okay. U.S. inflation rate jumps highest in 40 years to 7%. Democrats concerned inflation will haunt the party. Man, they should be concerned that like it's gonna ruin your life, not haunt the party. One of the hottest topics in the United States in 2022 is the rising inflation. The U.S. Labor Department data published on Wednesday indicates the Consumer Price Index, or CPI, rose 7% in December. This represents the largest annual jump since 1982. That don't sound good. Federal Reserve Governor Lael Brainerd is set to tell congressional leaders today that the central bank is focused on battling inflation. Moreover, members of the Democratic Party are concerned that the rising inflation may cost the Biden administration politically. That is the most epic picture of Biden I ever seen. He's even awake, man. Yeah. CPI, that's put together by the government, guys. So you got to take it with a grain of salt. I even have something on here that's going to show you what the real inflation rate more like realistically looks like. Good. On January 11th, 2022, the U.S. Labor Department published CPI data for the month of December, and the metrics indicated that the U.S. inflation rate jumped 7% year over year. And last month was the 3rd consecutive month over 6%. The rise is the highest jump in the CPI has ever seen since June 1982. I already said that shit. Let's see. That's all you got to know, to be honest. Yeah, I went through these already. That's all you got to know. So, okay. Here's the thing. I hear people having conflicting views on inflation and what it does to commodity prices or asset prices, right? So there's been this big push that, you know, as inflation rises, like stocks fall, assets fall, like as if it's detrimental to the price of commodities and assets. It's yes and no, right? It's yes and no. As inflation's getting going a little bit, it's good. It raises commodity prices. This is just based off of my rationale, right? As it gets a little hotter and people can't pay for things, they pull back on discretionary spending so they can pay for food, pay for rent, the things that they really got to like essential to their survival. You know, you see a little bit of like a drawback, but once the cat's out of the bag and everyone knows that inflation's not chilling out anytime soon, people stop trying to save money in the fiat currency and they try to throw that fiat currency at assets that are appreciating in value. Because think about what inflation is, guys, right? It's the reduction of purchasing power of a currency. right? Nothing really shows you that and highlights that even more so when something costs more dollars, because dollars are getting less and less valuable. It's not that Bitcoin's getting more and more valuable. Dollars are getting less and less valuable, right? So people try to get onto the fastest horse in the race to keep some semblance of their purchasing power, some semblance of their standard of living, right? So just because asset prices somewhat are showing some weakness right now, it really depends on how crazy and how heavy the inflation gets, right? So it's not just United States either. There's a whole article right here talking about, oh no, this is Shadow Stats. Okay, my bad. I'm a little bit ahead of myself here. But Shadow Stats is basically, I forgot his name. You can look it up on here. Go to shadowstats.com. It's a homie. He used to work for the government in the 70s, and he is applying the past equation to calculate inflation. If you guys don't know, the way the CPI is calculated changes all the time, right? And if you change the equation all the time, you're not really measuring anything apples to apples. You're just kind of like finagling it. You know what I'm saying? So this dude, he pretty much took this chart. The red is the current CPI number, right? The blue is the one that was using the older equation. Per the CPI, it's high even per their number. And I think it excludes a lot of stuff like food and shit. Doesn't even take into account food. Last time I checked, you needed food to live, right? They remove certain things to make it seem better so it's more palatable, so it doesn't suck so bad when you hear it. But the blue line doesn't do that. The blue line is in excess of 10% already. Double-digit inflation year on year. That means that if you just took 10% and obviously the line goes above and gets cut off, let's just say 10%. In 10 years, if you put money in the bank, you would have $0 in purchasing power. That's what it means. I mean, it's not that much different than 7, but what I'm trying to get and explain to you guys is these numbers are cooked. They're cooked, man. 7% CPI. How come everyone trusts the government, but they doesn't trust the government, but once they give you a number, you act like it's gospel? I don't know. Just goes to show you guys, all this fits into the bullish crypto thesis, right? I mean, people are saying, inflation is going up, so crypto is going to go down. Well, crypto definitely goes down when deflation happens. Which one is it? Deflation, inflation. You only got 2 options. We don't want deflation. That's for sure going to crash prices. Inflation, see, I think that's an environment where it should thrive. You guys don't know, in the Genesis block of Bitcoin, they talk about why Bitcoin came into existence. They talk about the bail-ins of the banks, 2008 financial crisis, and how this is alternative to that legacy system. What happened in 2008? Big contraction and a lot of printing, right? Quantitative easing, right? Bitcoin started at cents and now it's 43,000, right? What do you think caused that? What kind of macro dynamic caused that? Shit just spilled all my shit. God damn it. What do you think caused that? The expansion of the monetary supply. So I don't understand all these people coming out saying that inflation is bad for crypto prices and commodity prices. We got investment banks coming out here saying that there's going to be a multi-decade bull run in commodities. They wouldn't say that if they thought inflation was inherently bad for commodity and asset prices. Just saying. 15 people, what's up? Oh, man. It got everywhere. Use my sock to clean this shit up. God damn, man. Okay. Give me a second. I got technical difficulties. I got drink difficulties. Does that mean I have a drinking problem? What's up? How you guys been? 15 people? 13 people. Okay, I'll take it. This is the first Dub Daily. We're going to do it like this. Okay. Let me get into it, guys. Let me set the stage. Then I'll come down. We'll talk it up. Right? How long have I been on? 10 minutes? Okay. Euro inflation hits record highs. ECB not in a rush to raise interest rates. Oh, that seems like a sensible central bank to me. Inflation hitting record highs and raising interest rates. I mean, like, look, the reason they don't want to raise interest rates is because they know they're pitted into a corner. You can't really raise the rates too much without causing a collapse. right? So inflation and the devaluation of the currency, it's the best choice. It's the best house in the shit neighborhood. ECB is like, okay, well, can we like run this shit till we get out of office? And that's what politicians always do. They just don't want to. They don't want to be there when the music stops. They'll just pass it on and pass it on, and that's how we get to where we are now. The European Central Bank is concerned over inflation in the euro area raising beyond its own expectations. A high-ranking ECB official has admitted. However, Europe's monetary authority is not prepared to raise interest rates at this point. In time, the executive unveiled. Annual inflation in the area of common European currency, the euro, has increased for a sixth consecutive month to a record high 5% in December. 5%, 7%, plus 10%. You guys see a trend here? It's not just an America thing, it's all around the world. They're not even just printing dollars in dollars now. Euros, baht, all over the place. We view these figures with some concern, as they are higher than we initially expected. I'm not going to say that. Member of the executive board of the ECB commented in a recent interview with, damn, I really can't say that word. The official also recognized the worries of many people in Europe about the drop in real wages and interest income. See, that's called stagflation, when you have expansion of the monetary supply and wages don't keep up. So you're getting hit on both ends of the stick, right? Like on one end, bacon's like $10 a pound now. On the other end, you're actually making less money than you did the year before. So like bare necessities get farther and farther away from the everyday person's grasp. It doesn't really affect the well-to-do and the ultra-rich. $10 or $20 a pound of bacon don't really mean much when you got 20 million. You know? Interesting stuff, helps set the tone, because I think there's a lot of confusion in market dynamics in terms of inflation. I mean, all we have to really do is look at a banana republic example like Venezuela. Is Bitcoin less or more since they started going through what they were going through? So give me an example. I'm open, but give me an example as to when inflation actually causes a crash in asset prices, which in theory should raise on the back end of all this. Just saying. 17 people, what's good? We got some more, but I'm going to say what's up to the people. Yo, I'm good, man. How you been? Been waiting a year for a real alt season. Meh. We all been waiting, man. What's up, lifestyle? How you been? Waiting for alt season. Have you not seen Sol, Dot, Luna, etc.? All old alts aren't moving. Yeah, I mean, the only way it won't move is if there's like an elimination of the euphoria phase. I don't think that's possible, though, because that's not how human psychology works, right? That's not how it works. All it takes is one Doge, one SHIB, one influencer to get it into people's minds. And then it's, unless everyone in the whole world gets very sophisticated and very disciplined and they don't FOMO in, I don't see a reason why there wouldn't be a euphoria phase. Because most of the people in crypto now aren't disciplined or sophisticated. You know what I mean? We'll see. Live during business hours. Peace, fam. That's what I gotta do. Hey, Dub, Professor. What's up? Geo with your daily. Pop in when I can. Hey, thanks. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It's an experiment. 18 people, though. That's cool. When you have some time, see Symbiosis Finance. I don't believe they can do this project. I believe they can do this project. I'm not doing that for these, man. Let's talk about like the news right now. I'm still doing the Wednesdays and the Sundays, but that's when I'm gonna hit you guys' altcoins. Either ma'am. Do you think they are forcing people to switch to crypto for a future better control over digital money? For a future better controlled over digital money. So crypto is good, but it's also a trap. Yeah. So the legacy systems, they don't really invent anything. They take over things, right? They infiltrate. They regulate. They place a central body in a place where central bodies are never meant to be. That's what they're trying to do with central bank digital currencies. They don't care what you can do with Bitcoin. They care about the daily transaction currency, right? And they're going to try to regulate at that level, at entry and exit vectors. So yeah, I think they're going to try to control it. It's going to be up to like humanity what we roll with. But you got to remember one thing: a lot of cryptos, you can fork them. See, that's the beauty. A lot of people talk about forking as if it's like it sucks, it does this, it destroys communities. Yeah, but it's also a mechanism of fail-safe when someone's trying to come up in your shit and like tell you what to do. You can just fork off. It's basically a snapshot in time, and you can move forward like regular, and you could branch off in as many times as you need. See, that's the thing. I don't know how they're gonna really accomplish it, but they're damn sure gonna try. I've heard some people say that they're going to try to regulate at the access point of logging on to the internet. Interesting things. You really look into law token on Smart BCH. Need to look into it? Okay. Hold your altcoins though. Like let's do it on Wednesday and Sundays. Wednesday, Sundays, 2 times a week. Appreciate this, Dub. Anytime. It's on CoinGecko. Okay. Sunday and Wednesday. 21 people, what's up? Let's get back to some news. Cool. This one's cool. OCC comptroller calls for federal collaboration with crypto intermediaries. I thought Bitcoin was going to be illegal. I don't know, collaboration with them? What? Let's see. The acting comptroller of the currency, Michael J., we'll just call him Mike, highlighted the need for collaboration and coordination with large crypto intermediaries to better understand the risk within the growing 2 trillion cryptocurrency market. He said, the mainstreaming of crypto has occurred despite regulatory and legal uncertainty and a series of scams, hacks, and other disruptive events. For financial regulators like me, this presents a host of questions. Where should the regulatory attention be focused? What should be done? By whom? And why? Okay, scams are just a part of the deal, man. You're not going to get around that shit. Too many live streams with QRs on there, huh? The acting comptroller has also highlighted the risking risks. What? Oh, the rising risk. Risking risk. What the? In crypto, as the holders of USD-backed stablecoins trust that they can redeem their stablecoins for US dollars on demand at par with no questions asked. I told you guys there are all kinds of words with stablecoins. What if, however, that trust were to be wavered or lost? Whatever. I think I read that wrong. Stablecoin holders know that the first to redeem would have the highest chance of getting their money back, would rationally redeem immediately. What he's basically saying is like, okay, so what if something happens within the space that causes like a loss of trust within stablecoins, and there's a mad rush to get out and get into the dollar? He's basically saying that stablecoins probably can't fulfill an all-at-once liquidation of their tokens, which is a problem. He's inferring. Yeah, if especially decentralized coins, if everyone went in and tried to turn them in at the same time, you could break the peg. It means you probably might get pennies back on the dollar. I mean, that's a legit concern. 20 people, it's good. Mike calls for a collaboration with crypto intermediaries to minimize the consequences of a loss of trust in crypto. Which is funny because, I mean, he's got to worry about the dollar first, right? While banks and trust companies have a long and successful history of custodying and safeguarding assets, the technology underlying crypto and the associated governance with certain tokens present a host of novel issues, warranting careful analysis and consideration. Okay, number one, while banks and trust companies have a long, successful history of custodying and safeguarding assets, bullshit. Okay, you ever heard of Cyprus? They bailed in a whole bunch of shit. I mean, come on. I mean, how trustworthy is any of this shit? But okay, I hear what he's saying. He's a traditional dude. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell confirmed that the agency will release a new report on digital currencies, despite not being quite where we needed to get it or whatever. And they're talking about right here, Rep. Tom Emmer saying new digital currency legislation is coming soon. The report really is ready to go, and I would expect we will drop it. I hate to say it again, in coming weeks. Whoa. That'd be hot. That would be hot. Because, just listen to the tone that they're using, right? They want to collab. They're concerned about stablecoins not holding their pegs to the dollar. They want to know how they could protect. It's not one of, hey, we're gonna freaking outlaw you. You better get. No, it's not coercive at all, because they know they can't stop it. They can't stop it by force. They're smart enough not to try. They're gonna try to play ball with it and nudge the market in a way that they feel comfortable with, that they can hold on some of that control. But the regulatory clarity, I don't know. I don't know if it's gonna be a bad thing for the price. Because we have a lot of money on the sides of institutions waiting to get into crypto, waiting for regulatory clarity, right? I mean, shit. If I was like a COO or some shit, right, or a money manager or something, I'm not gonna throw 200 million at a DeFi protocol and get yield. I don't know how to classify this stuff for taxes. I don't know if it's gonna be deemed illegal or whatever, and then I got my company wrapped up in this. It's better to just sit tight. Well, we got Jerome Powell saying that regulatory clarity should be coming within 2 weeks, 3 weeks. Wow, that sounds important to me. I don't know. What do you guys think? The banks can't give its customers all their money either, so I don't understand why people want to scrutinize crypto. That's true. Fractional reserve lending. They sell the same dollar, loan out the same dollar 10 times legally. I think it's even more now. That's a good point. Steve Bannon is joining the Make Nifty Discord server at 6:15 p.m. today. Nice. What's good, Dub? When Moon? You tell me. Shit. Well, when's it get dark out here, man? 6? 5 hours. Welcome, guys. 20 people. Trying something new. I'd like to keep it fresh. We're going to go over some of these news articles 22 minutes in. I'm planning on doing these like an hour a day. There's always news every day. We can do it. And I know not everyone has enough time to do it. So I can do it. You can watch me live. You can watch me after work. You can watch me during work. Shit, I used to watch crypto all day during work. My boss be like, what are you doing? I was like, shut up. It's my life. Okay, what else? You guys want to hear me talk like that right now? Pakistan's president calls for more training in blockchain technology. Those are some electric ants. Look at that. I can't say any of these people's names. You guys know I suck at that, okay? Deal. Currently serving as the president of Pakistan, call for additional training in emerging technologies, including blockchain, artificial intelligence, and cybersecurity, while meeting with the delegation of blockchain technology experts. The president said, talent pools should be ready to meet the needs of the fourth industrial revolution, which includes utilizing blockchain technology in the public and private sectors. Well, not every country's stupid as hell. Let's see. It's a picture of him. Look at that. That's a nice. You guys remember when he played soccer, the buddy pics? That's a nice buddy pic right there. It's cute. Okay. Pakistan has the third highest rate of crypto adoption behind Vietnam and India. Whoa, I didn't know that. With transfers of more than 10 million in the country representing 20% of transactions. Oh, damn. The country's central bank also said in 2021 it was studying the possibility of rolling out of a possible rollout, of a Pakistan central bank digital currency. Well, when retail gets all bearish, everyone else is bullish. So that's why I read this stuff, man. That's why I look at the news. Because I hear everyone. I hear them. Some of them are suspect. Some of them are legit. There's a lot of freaking opinions. Opinions are like assholes. Everyone's got one. But what are the big boys thinking? What are the companies thinking? What are the countries thinking? You can tell. That's why we read the news. Because Johnny down the street, who bought Doge and SHIB and shit, and he's all pissed off because his $100 turned into 30. He's not exactly a partial party. Now is he? Let's see. What else? Crypto job post on LinkedIn skyrocketed. Skyrocketed would have been better though. 395% in 2021. Job postings with terms like Bitcoin, Ethereum, blockchain, and cryptocurrency grew 395% in the United States last year. Is that a coin working in human resources? I feel like that one wouldn't work out well. However, at 98% growth, the tech industry dwindles in comparison to crypto jobs, which gained by a whopping 395%. Damn near 4 times tech. And tech is typically the hottest niche, right? Damn, that's sick. While most of the job postings were in software and finance, other industries are also seeing a rise in demand for crypto talent. These include professional services like accounting and consulting, as well as the staffing and computer hardware sectors. Coinbase has over 250 openings, Kraken over 300, and the world's most active exchange, Binance, lists more than 600 job posts. Telling you guys. Telling you. Jump on the train. You know a lot about crypto? Get yourself a crypto job. Screw it. Screw it. We're doing it live. The mayor of New York and Miami announced that they would take a portion of their pay in Bitcoin in 2021. Damn, what a weird world. While 7 NFL players have chosen crypto over cash salaries to date. Shit. Hey, NFL players love crypto. That's surprising. 17 people, what's up? Tonga accepts Bitcoin donations amid tsunami onslaught. Thanks, Doc. Sounds bullish to me. Oh, shit, we got hit by a tsunami. Give us your Bitcoin. I do the same thing. Be limping and shit. Please, sir. Bitcoin, sir. I don't want to work. I just want to bang on my drums all day. Unless it's in the crypto space, a crypto job sounds like fun. Yep. And there's no freaking barrier to entry right now, guys. There's no barrier to entry in crypto jobs. Ain't no freaking... You better get up into crypto before they make a master's degree. They're like, oh, you can't work here unless you get a master's degree. You gotta pay hundreds of thousands of dollars before we can even look at your resume. That shit don't work in new industries. Mess around, maybe they'll do some shit like that. Hell, maybe you'll be the professor that teaches that overly priced crypto course. 16 people, what's up? Bruh. Lol. Bruh. Lol. Bruh. Lol. It's a beat. Let's see. How's work? You guys at work? Damn. Sucks. At least we can kick it. Oh, here's another country doing all kinds of weird shit with crypto. Australian Football League secures $25 million deal with Crypto.com. Crypto.com is on fire right now. Oh, shit. All up in the movies. I watched Dune. They're doing like ads in the trailers. I'm what? Then they buy Staples Center. I'm like, what? And now they're in Australia. Football. I like that. In what comes as the first major crypto sports sponsorship deal down under, the Australian Football League, AFL, has secured a partnership with Crypto.com to back its women league, AFLW. Shout out to Honeys. Hey. The deal is worth close to $25 million over the next 5 years, a marked increase from the AFL's existing $18.5 million sponsorship with Toyota. Toyota, get your money up. Shit. This is crypto out here, man. Toyota, freaking step your shit up. The AFL is proud to be the first Australian sports league and elite women's competition globally to work alongside an organization that shares our passion to progress the future of elite sports and technology. I don't know how Crypto.com fits into that, but that's cool. I guess they fit in the technology part. Whatever. Sounds good. Our latest consumer research in Australia found that more than half, 53% of crypto investors were female. For real? Dang. They're pretty and they're smart. Shit. It's very encouraging to see that Australians from all walks of life, irrespective of gender or background, are very keen to adopt cryptocurrencies. and we're excited about being their go-to platform. I'm happy, man. I'm happy the soccer honeys down under, they be getting out on crypto. Sponsorships in crypto, using crypto. That's always good. But it's just another data point. I mean, what's all the bearishness for? Don't you see adoption? You got freaking sports leagues, arenas, countries, all calling out blockchain, cryptocurrency, Bitcoin, all this. And we're not even halfway through the articles yet. But your cousin's probably right. Bitcoin's probably dead. 18 people, what's up? What up, big bro? Ship GF to the moon. Oh, shit. See? The Moon Boys are still here. They're still here. What else do I got? Oh, Australia loves Bitcoin right now. The Australian Open swings into the Metaverse on Decentraland 14 hours ago. You heard it here first. A virtual recreation of Melbourne Park, including the Rod Laver Arena and Grand Slam Park, will be open for the duration of the Australian Open tournament. Damn, that looks like some Dragon Ball Z shit coming out of her thing. A virtual recreation of key arenas in Melbourne Park, including the Rod Laver Arena, I can't say it, Grand Slam Park, will be open for the duration of the Australian Open tournament, which will run for a fortnight beginning on Monday. That's an old way to say, like, a time. Fortnight? As well as broadcasting live footage and AO radio, it will also feature archival footage of tennis matches dating back to the 70s and the virtual meetups with tennis players, including Mark, this dude, with other players yet to be confirmed. Damn, look at that. That's badass, though. That's pretty badass. And you could, like, talk to the tennis players? Tight. With the unique challenges fans have faced getting to Melbourne, we have fast-tracked our launch into the Metaverse. Taking the Australian Open into the Metaverse is an important step to provide truly global access to our great event. She's shaking it. Look at that. Damn. Writing's on the wall, guys. Get with it, man. We got. Look at this. Australia. They got a whole metaverse. This looks like Decentraland. This is like Crypto Valley, but they're doing it all for their event. We got virtual girls shaking it. What else you want? Get with it. 15 people, what's up? There's more. Walmart trademark filings hint at retailers' intent to produce metaverse and NFT concepts. We looked at this. I might look at it again. It'd be good for people who missed it. But we might look at the freaking Walmart metaverse thing that got leaked out. Why point and click? Why be on a web page? Why? Put on your goggles. Use your hands. Pick that shit up. Talk to people. Walmart Inc. is seemingly preparing to enter the industry of non-fungible tokens, NFTs, technology, and metaverse concepts. Walmart USPTO trademark filings are littered with descriptions of NFTs, blockchain tech, digital collectibles, metaverse, and virtual department store games. Whoa there. I'm not going to read all this. This is crazy. You guys can do that on your own. The trademark filing discussed cryptocurrency solutions, blockchain technology, and non-fungible token NFT assets. One specific filing describes downloadable software that can leverage digital currencies and concepts like augmented reality. Imagine wearing your freaking glasses, walking into Walmart, and then like you have your own personal VR assistant, walking you through everything, telling you the deals, showing you where you need to go, talking to it interactively. That's what we're talking about. The filing follows Walmart looking to hire a digital currency and cryptocurrency product lead in mid-August 2021. As digital currency, cryptocurrency lead at Walmart, you will be responsible for developing the digital currency strategy and product roadmap. Companies, Crocs, Urban Outfitters, Ralph Lauren, and Abercrombie & Fitch have also filed USPTO trademarks tied to digital collectibles and blockchain technology. Those are big ass companies. They all want a piece of the metaverse. It all started with mother effing Mark over there, Zuckerberg, or is it Zuckerberg? Mark? Yeah. Rebranding. Look, now everyone wants to freaking get in the metaverse. It's all cool now. They're all freaking sheep, but it's okay. They can pump my bags all the same. You know what I'm saying? Walmart, man. I don't have it pulled up. Let me get that thing. Okay, no. Walmart. Metaverse. Just gonna look at a little bit of it. Twitter. Show me the video. Show me the video. Okay, can't find it. Sorry, guys. 17 people. 19 people now. Damn. It would be cool, huh? Give me 1 second. Hypebeast.com. Oh, yeah. Cool. All right, guys. Let's check this out real quick. Is this YouTube? Shit. All right, real quick. I don't care. I can't. Okay, here's the milk part. Look at that. You don't want the milk? You throw that shit back. See? Got your virtual assistant. She got no legs. It's not a big deal. Don't stare. Okay, you get it. It's on YouTube. They might hit me. So I gotta be chill. Crombie and Fitch, man, they're pushing this lockdown shit to the extreme. They say, hey, you know what? That illness, you ain't gotta worry about it no more. You ain't gotta go nowhere no more. You ain't gotta ever see anyone anymore. You don't even gotta get dressed anymore. Just put on your headphones or your headband, like your head, whatever, goggles, Oculus Rift. And you can be exactly where you need to be instantly from the comfort of your own home. What do you guys think about that? Tight, but it's kind of weird, but it's whatever. We'll see how it goes. All right. There's another one. Fidelity expects more countries to acquire Bitcoin, citing very high stakes game theory. And I've been talking about that for years. Let's see. Fidelity expects more sovereign nation states or even central banks to acquire Bitcoin this year. There's a very high stakes game theory at play here, whereby if Bitcoin adoption increases, the countries that secure some Bitcoin today will be better off competitively than their peers. Exactly. Fidelity, you guys sound pretty freaking smart. That's what I've been saying. Guys, it don't matter if they like it. After their competitors, after their enemies get Bitcoin and Bitcoin goes up a lot, and then becomes a matter of national security. What's going to happen if the dude over there who's always wanted to kill you, but he was just too poor to do it, now he's rich as hell. Now you really got to be worried. See? So people who don't, in countries mainly, who don't even want to get into crypto, they don't really got a freaking choice. Sorry about it. They're going to get into it just to protect themselves. This past year saw some major moves by the world governments with regards to digital assets, Fidelity described. The report discusses countries like China that have banned cryptocurrency and countries like El Salvador that took the opposite approach and made BTC legal tender. An outright ban will be difficult to achieve at best, and if it's successful, will lead to a significant loss of wealth and opportunity. Exactly. Don't care who you are, and I don't care who you work for. You like to make more money than less money, right? All the incentives in crypto and Bitcoin are aligned appropriately for it to flourish. That's why it never dies. Therefore, even if other countries do not believe in the investment thesis or adoption of Bitcoin, they will be forced to acquire some as a form of insurance. We therefore wouldn't be surprised to see other sovereign nation states acquire Bitcoin in 2022 and perhaps even see a central bank make an acquisition. Boom! That's what I'm talking about, man. I like that. 19 people, it's good. Randy Zuckerberg loving them GF coins, bro. Who Randy, man? That was Mark. Dubdigital. Hey, Rolando, what's good, man? Is that you in the? Is that you falling out of the sky, man? Hey, went up to the moon and got wrecked or what? What's on the menu? Not much, man. Just a little bit of. I don't know. I didn't have a good one. Let's see. Hey, it's Mike Tyson. It's Mike. Boxing legend Mike Tyson says he's all in on Solana. That's crazy. Ask fans how high Sol will go. Damn. Mike's the only boxer who got smarter as he got older. Boxing legend Mike Tyson, aka Iron Mike, says he's all in on Solana. Last week, he tweeted that he was all in on Solana, adding that he just copped a Catalina whale. His tweet included an image of a non-fungible token NFT from the Catalina wine mixer collection. That does look like a whale he would buy. I mean, it's got his tattoo. Pretty badass. It's badass because Mike Tyson owns it and he has one of his tattoos. I didn't highlight anything else. It's like, I don't know. It's not a big deal. But another celebrity entering the ranks of what? Busta Rhymes? Of who else? Tyga. Whole bunch of other celebrities. We got LaMelo Ball with his NFT. There's so many celebrities now dabbling in crypto, involved in crypto, talking about crypto. It's really not funny. Before you could talk about like one of them and you're like, oh shit, that's pretty cool. Now it's like, okay, it's normal. I saw some rapper I don't even know. My girl's playing it in her car. Called Blockchain. The damn name of the song's called Blockchain. I don't even know this dude. Get rich off the crypto. 23 people, what's up? Damn, skydiving? That's freaking intense, man. People aren't asking for crypto in their 401ks. It'll be part of everyone's retirement plan soon. People are asking for crypto in 401ks. Yeah. You know what's stopping them? A spot ETF. Sailor was on the internet the other week talking about how once the spot ETF's approved, billions of dollars is going to flow into crypto. Everyone says, "Oh, how will crypto go up? What's going to facilitate all this money entering the space for a exponential price move, Dubdigital? Explain me that. Riddle me that, Batman." And I'm like, it's probably going to be a fucking announcement, man. There's always an announcement. The reason crypto market died in 2017 is because a bunch of countries around the world said they were banning it at the same time. It was a coordinated freaking media push. They could have coordinated media pushes in the opposite direction. Just saying. Just like Zuckerberg came out and rebranded Facebook to Meta. He could have picked any goddamn name in the world. Any of them. Pickle, broccoli, anything, man. He picked Meta. And then all of a sudden, even old people are talking about the metaverse. And now Walmart and Abercrombie and Fitch and all these other people are making metaverse things. Australia Open is happening in the metaverse. Developments happen every day, guys. Every day. Self-custody all day, forget a middleman. Are you talking about the bank thing? You know this whole like hardware wallet shit, this is going to get old and played out and people aren't going to do it. They're just going to trust the banks. At the end of the day, man, to be quite real, people don't want that responsibility. They don't want the smoke. They don't. Shit. Michael Saylor was talking about Litecoin. Oh, yeah, he was. Hey, come on, do it, man. But he was getting interviewed by freaking Ben Askren and got knocked the hell out. And then Johnny Litecoin. I actually met that dude. That was the only crypto conference I've been to. 2018, first Litecoin summit. I met Ben Askren. I met Bitcoin Ben. I met Jason at 4. That was cool. I suspect Biden has dementia. He got something. Homeboy ain't looking right. I love self-custody, but I'm missing out on a lot of interest with my hardware wallets. You don't got to. You don't have to. I mean, I mean, you don't want to put in the protocol? You know what I'm saying? You don't have to. But can't you stake directly from Ledger now for some chains? I think you can, man. 17 people, what's up? Another one. Robinhood on listing more cryptocurrencies. It's important that we get a bit more clarity from regulators, which should be coming within when? Within when? In the coming weeks. Robinhood's chief financial officer has revealed the popular trading platform's crypto priority and the potential of listing more cryptocurrencies. We are a highly regulated company in a highly regulated industry, and we think it's important that we get a bit more clarity from regulators, he emphasized. Don't they got SHIB and Dogecoin? Shut up. Be saying that bullshit. You got SHIB and Dogecoin, man. In December last year, Robinhood launched a cryptocurrency gift program. The company also announced the upcoming beta launch of its cryptocurrency wallet, which has a wait list of 1.6 million people. So, once they get that shit on Robinhood, it's going to go fucking ham. Oh my God, I can't believe it. Writing's on the wall, guys. I don't know what to fucking say to you. Writing's on the wall. Right when everyone's bearish, they be working still, doing their thing still. Quietly though, hush hush. Because they know most people don't read the news. I know some of you guys don't read the news. That's why I'm doing this. Can't let you guys sink. No, never that. Regulators mount up. SHIB is meant to be listing, but don't forget their stock has tumbled. Stock? Who? Robinhood? SHIB is meant to be listing? Don't know. Those Robinhood mother effers still do not allow to withdraw crypto coins. Exactly. I mean, the same dudes. I mean, what do you expect? What do you expect for real? They stopped, the whole CME and the, what do you call it? The freaking thing, AMC. They stop people from trading that. We really think they're gonna let you have like full access to your actual underlying assets? And on top of that, they didn't stop people from accessing their own assets. They stopped certain people from accessing their own assets, while rich people could sell it on a dumping on them. Yeah, I don't have too much trust in that platform. Cosmos is creeping up. Good. Go to the moon, Cosmos. Hurry up. Do it. 48 minutes in. Okay. There we go. Mr. Jamie Dimon himself saying Bitcoin's rat poison and firing anyone who trades. Now he's changing his tune. JP Morgan plots surge in technology spending for 2022. Oh shit, I didn't do it. JP Morgan said last week that it plans to significantly scale its technology investment and spending initiatives in 2022. The revelation came during a fourth quarter earnings call on January 14th, during which JPM executives, including Chairman and CEO Jamie Dimon, staked out the importance of such spending, including on talent acquisitions and what he called change the bank spend. JP Morgan will boost the roughly $12 billion it spent on technology last year by as much as 20%. Wow. That's more than $2 billion. That's 2-point-something billion. Wow. According to FT, tech-focused spending will hit $12 billion in 2022. As for what's fueling the spending push, Dimon appeared to cite competition, including challengers from the fintech space, aka decentralized solutions. It's a lot of competition, and we intend to win, Dimon said, according to earnings call transcript. And sometimes you guys spend a few bucks. I don't get what that means. Yep. Started off as a Bitcoin hater, but you know what they say: if you can't beat them, join them. Welcome, Jamie. I thought you were smarter than that, but okay, it doesn't matter. At least you're here. The crypto space needs more females to organize this shit. I mean, Yeah, it's probably heavily male dominated, but apparently in Australia, it's mostly females. I don't know, man. We'll see. I'm sure they'll come on in the fold as soon as this stuff goes up, man. A lot of people will come in the fold as soon as this stuff goes up. But we got some smart crypto females already in here, so you know. Shoe company Crocs is eyeing NFT play according to trademark application. Another one. Crocs, the popular shoe company, is looking to get into NFTs, according to a trademark application filed on January 11th. The application, first reported by CoinDesk, is marked for downloadable computer software for creating, managing, storing, accessing, sending, receiving, exchanging, validating, and selling digital assets, digital collectibles, digital tokens, and non-fungible token NFTs. God, that was long. This news follows a larger trend of fashion retailers and shoe brands getting into NFTs. In December, Nike bought NFT collectible startup RTFKT, and Adidas netted some $23 million in sales after its first NFT drop, the block reported in December. Crocs, Walmart, Crombie and Fitch. What's the other ones? Damn. Where is that? Is it job postings? I don't even know. Okay, I'm messing up my stuff. It is what it is, guys. It is what it is. You need more? I got more. Please, Crocs, don't ruin crypto. Nah, come on, Crocs. Come on in here. Bring your antimicrobial ass shoes in here. Dub, what do you think of Twitter Spaces? I think it's cool. I like Twitter Spaces. I've been on a couple. I did one. Did you buy it? I did one with Crypto Secret Circle. I've done a couple of them. I think it's really cool. You know, I mean, thing is, like, if you give people a link and they gotta change platforms, they ain't changing. So I think it's awesome. Okay, where are we at right now? What the shit? Where's my tab? Shoes. Okay, I already did that. Oh wow, that's the last one. Okay, I ran through that kind of fast. What do you guys think? What do you guys think, huh? Something's happening every day. Every day. There'll be news tomorrow. We can talk about that. But we see inflation's ticking up. It's no longer a secret. But the thing is this, guys, I just got to be honest. I mean, this has been obvious. Inflation going up has been obvious. I've been anticipating this for years. It's finally here. And now the people who got blindsided and didn't know this was happening now have the most to say about it. I guess that's the way it always is, right? Look, guys, inflation's here. You can plan on it. Asset prices going down, but every hyperinflationary, I guess, situation that we see thus far, commodity prices, asset prices go freaking crazy. I mean, in Weimar, Germany, I mean, like, you know, asset prices didn't crash. They went up exponentially. You know, so don't believe this whole narrative too. We got the Fed coming out, and they're about to release regulatory clarity. We'll see what that means. We got a whole bunch of corporations trying to get it all up in the metaverse. We got Australia loving the metaverse. We got Mike Tyson all in on Solana. We got JP Morgan trying to compete with these decentralized solutions that they ignored so much. We got Sailor talking about spot ETFs. We got talking about Litecoin and shit. Come on, guys. I mean, come on. What do you think? You read between the tea leaves. Don't listen to freaking Jack down the street, man. Jack don't know shit. 17 people, what's up? Leah Hilpern is my favorite crypto chick. She does videos for Exodus and has her own channel. Check her out. I can't be doing that, man. My girl be watching this. Can't get hyperinflation with the reserve currency, not the same market dynamic. Yes, you can get hyperinflation with the reserve currency. What are you talking about? Just because it's the reserve currency means it hyperinflates last, but it definitely can hyperinflate. It definitely can, especially if there's a rush and a loss of confidence within the reserve currency. People aren't stupid. They're just not going to send the dollar and get freaking burnt away through inflation. That's why gold is a threat to the system. That's why cryptocurrency is a threat to the system, because people trade in bad money for good money 100% of the time. Look, if you can't get hyperinflation in the reserve currency, then screw it. Let's pack it up. Why are we in crypto? I mean, shit. Like, if that was true, then I guess there's really nothing wrong with the dollar. Nothing at all. Even though that it's lost 97% of its purchasing power since the implementation of the Fed, not a problem. It's just slower to hyperinflate because global fiat currencies, some of them will run into the dollar. But then some won't, because we have some pretty realistic alternatives now. You can't really do online commerce with gold, but you can with Bitcoin. Sour banana this afternoon. Damn. Banana. Fed is talking about 3 rate hikes. JP Morgan saying 4 to 6. No hyperinflation coming. Yeah, but before that, they were talking about in the Fed era that they were going to continue hiking rates. Then they reversed course. Explain that, John. Are you saying the Fed tells you the truth all the time? You saying that they're trustworthy all the time? Explain that, John. Just saying, man. Before we just all go and trust the Fed like they've never lied to us before, just look at the situation. Just look at it. Yeah, they might hike a couple times, but how many times can they hike? And they definitely can't hike 4 to 6 because the stock market's going to come crashing down, just like it did in March 2020. What are they going to do then? The same thing they did in March 2020. They're going to turn on that printing press and print that shit to the sky, raising asset prices. Why do you think Bitcoin went up so much? Why do you think the stock market continues to go on all-time highs? Yeah, it gave a little back now, but hey, I'm just saying, man. I'm just saying. The Fed changes opinions like the wind. I can't count on it. Did you say Mike Tyson? Damn, I heard Sizzler bought the dip too, and Visa giving a shout out to Solana. I really want to dump my bags of Sol, but I know it might be a mistake. Why do you want to dump your bag of Sol? It's been a pretty good performer. Hey, I don't know. I don't know. Look, guys. If there's been one thing that has been consistent in the whole lifespan of the dollar, it's been inflation. Didn't they print like 40% of all the money ever in existence in 2020 because of Corona? I mean, shit. The lockdowns? It can't really be good for a currency, right? I don't know. All right, guys, it's been fun. This was the first Dub Daily. We'll see how it goes. This is an experiment by and large. If it goes well, I'll keep it up. But until next time, guys, it's Dubdigital. Talk to you later. Peace.